Okay, so let's get back to the main topic for today's office hours, which is scheduling articles and PDFs to publish in the future. And this blog post, I reviewed it earlier, and it actually shows us the way to do it. These screenshots are from the block editor, which I do want to cover. But let's first talk about the classic default editor and how we can schedule an article to go live on that. So for this part, I want to pass it over to Vera to become a presenter and take us through this. You ready, Vera?
I am.
Okay. Cool. All right. So just, kind of as an overview, and I think I'm going to just remove my camera so we focus on that. One of the many benefits of Our Hometown's WordPress platform is that newspapers can schedule articles and PDFs to go live at any time in the future. So there's never any need for you to wake up early and manually update the website with the day's new content. Instead, your staff can just prepare the entire edition's worth of stories and PDFs throughout the week and schedule them to go live at a specific time of day. Let me try switching over. I don't know. How is the audio for you guys? Can you hear me okay?
I can hear you fine.
All right. Yeah, there's a truck outside my window right now, so I don't know how much that's getting in the way. Anyway, so scheduling an article or PDF is easy. You just basically go to the publish box on an article. So let's navigate to, we can go to an existing article. Oh, we don't have any, so we'll just create a brand new one. That's all right. So when you say add new, it's going to open up the classic editor, which looks like this. This is the default view. And so the publish box is right over there on the right column. And so, yes, you do need to give it a category. But if we just want to, focus on the publish options, then it's pretty much just default. It's going to go immediately. That's one thing to note. So if you hit save or publish, it'll be live. But you can schedule it to go live in the future. I guess you could also set that date in the past if you wanted to, but then it would just go live immediately, but it would be time stamped in the past, so as if it went live then.
One thing on categories, e-edition is only used for PDFs. Check on news, just the news category. That's probably set up on the site. Good.
Right. Okay. So yeah, we'll publish this immediately, but you can clearly see that you can schedule it for any time down to the second. Right now it has a status of draft, but if we hit publish, it would change it to published. But we could also just update the status, right? So this is something I wanted to point out for people doing reverse publishing on the platform. They can use the status drop down. So if you click the edit button next to draft there, so you just saved it as a draft, so that's good. But we can change the status, and it's really only got 2 statuses by default, but we can add any custom statuses that you want. So like if you were using this for reverse publishing, maybe one status would be, ready for editor's review or something like that. But even using these 2, we could change it to pending review. But these are basically 2 different statuses for non-published articles. So they're just different levels of drafts that you can have.